Well, good morning, William from Williams, Philippines. I'm up here in Lubbock. It's about 5:30 in the a.m. Getting ready to go do my fun stuff. But they got me drinking the fluids to flush you out. And it works real good. I've had more visits there than I want to admit. But this is the last half of that. This stuff, whatever you call that, flush maker. Anyway, no. AC such there. Nice queen bed. Like I say, closet, microwave, coffee maker. Yeah, fun stuff. Bathroom. All that normal stuff you have. It's a box with a bed. So, yay. Anyway, trying to stay positive about this. Yeah. Because I'm having so much fun every time I turn around, I'm back off in there. So, yay. Anyway, hope everybody's having a good day. It is 5:30 on Thursday, the 12th of September, 2024. And yeah, all that fun stuff. I don't know how well everything's turning out here. If I have the light over here on, it acts like a big glow, blocks out a bunch of stuff. So I'm just dealing with one light over there. I don't even have the TV on. I don't like TV. Yeah, especially nowadays here in the U.S., not much worth watching on. Tried to catch a movie, but decided it wasn't worth the headache. Shut it off about a third of the way in and went to sleep. When I was finally able to get to sleep. Because, hey, having to make trips to the bathroom on a regular basis really does kind of make for a rough night. It is what it is. But hopefully get over there and get that taken care of. So, yay. Was responding. Some folks question if I'm there yet. No, I'm not in the Philippines. 2025, late June, early July. Probably early July. $600. I try to save money when I can. It's kind of important to do that. And it's a good thing. But yes, planning on landing in Cebu and then trying to go from there over to Iloilo, get the eye work done. And then, boy, it's pretty much wide open from there where I want to go. I've got a couple ideas as to planning for what I want to do. But yeah, haven't got that far past getting to Iloilo, getting my eyes taken care of, and doing a little recouping, picking up a scooter, or, trike, actually. I'm thinking more along with, and I've seen a couple of sidecars that are really interesting. One of them actually said that they were available in the Philippines. I don't know where in the Philippines I saw that place, but somebody had trikes, or sidecars, motorcycles. I'd like that. A lot more stable. I got a pin, screw, and 2 pieces of wire holding my kneecap together from a motorcycle injury when I was young. Well, younger. And I don't really want to take the chance of busting it up again. I don't know about you, but learning to walk again is such fun. Not at all. Yeah. But I did manage to, get some things taken care of. I tried to swing by, and I found out that my class for the defensive driving is $25 online, and another place does the class for $25 and another $20 for the getting the driving record and sending them in at the same time, which is important apparently. But I went over there to try to get my set up. Apparently I didn't have the right insurance ID card in my car, and I had one in my wallet, and I left that wallet at home because I carry two wallets. I moved over what I needed because I'm trying to minimize what's available. So yeah, but yes, I got there and got that and drove all the way down here. I can tell you by the time I got here I was cross-eyed. Basically I checked in and came upstairs and went to sleep. Woke up and started doing that medicine. I got about 4 hours of sleep. Started doing that medicine, and that took basically from 5 to 10, 11 almost, 10:30, 11. Yeah, went back to sleep and was up a few times. And now I'm, like I say, I woke up about 30 minutes ago and getting this started for being there for my procedure. Oh, set up the Uber. Yeah. And when I get done there, have another one pick me up and bring me back here. And I may even have them take and bring me food. As scary as that thought is, because at the prices I've been seeing on things lately, holy crap. I don't know. Might have to decide to, yeah, I wonder if they can get Church's chicken. 10 piece. Used to be 10 for 10. Now it's 10 for almost 13. But hey, we don't have any inflation at all. Nope, not one little iota. There's none of it. Inflation is an imaginary thing. Yeah. The scary thing is that's actually a true statement. It's not the inflation of the cost of our products. It's the deflation of the value of our dollar. Because every time the little printing press goes ka-chunk, ka-chunk, and another dollar bill pops out, well, instead of being 1 of 100, now it's 1 of 101. They do it 100 times, and now it's 1 of 200. And so all those dollars are chasing the same amount of stuff. So it takes more of those dollars to buy that stuff. Yeah. Because, hey, we all want to become poor because the government's printing money. It's kind of a worrisome thing because the way they're doing it now, I'm wondering how long before the bubble goes pop. It's because I think there's like a 52-year average on fiat currencies. Well, guess what? Yeah. 70 to 70, 70 or I think it's 72, 73, something like that. They put us on the petrodollar. Nixon did, took us off the actual gold redeeming. Yeah. And now it's been like 52 years since then. So, yeah, 72, 73 area. Because, hey, such fun. And now what's it going to go to? Is it going to be a fairly stable swing over, or is it going to be a complete blow up like the Weimar Germany mark or the Zimbabwe dollar? Hey, I'm a trillionaire. 1 penny US. Yeah. Zimbabwe got pretty bad there. But it is what it is. All I know is I'm about to have to drink another cup of that stuff, and yeah, such fun. Because, yeah, I'm just getting started on it this morning. So, yeah. We will get back with you tomorrow. I hope everybody has a blessed day, and everything goes well and you get to eat a good meal. Don't know about you, but right now I am very hungry. Basically, the last thing I ate was not last night, but the night before at about 11 o'clock. I had part of a Subway sandwich and some chicken with romaine noodles and a beef rib. Yeah. Guess what? That's been a good 36 hours. I'm hungry. By the time I get done here and get back here, it's going to be getting close to 20 hours since I last ate. Or no, 44 hours, 42 hours, something like that, since I last ate. And that's depending on, am I going to be awake enough after that? Because, you know, when they zonk you out with the medicine or the anesthesia, you're not too sure how awake you are. And, well, when you do get back to where you're going, you really just want to curl up and let that stuff work its way out of you and sleep through it. Because that's what it does. It makes you want to sleep for a good while. So, yeah, I don't know. Anyway, I hope everybody's having a blessed day and that you get a good meal. I'm sure hoping for me to get a good meal here shortly, but that ain't happening for another 12 hours probably. So, yay. This is William from Williams Philippines. I'm Fish, and hey, Fish is out.